Hello friends, how is it going? So in this video we are going to learn cell field convergence calculation or SCF calculation in WIEN2k. So we have to go in our directory and open it in terminal. So I have already opened it in terminal. So last time you may remember that we have done the initialization process and we have defined the exchange correlation functionals and k-mesh, and as well as we have changed the parameters in IN1 file and IN2 file. High parameter means a large amount of time and requires more computational resources. So if you don't have that many resources, you can opt for the lower values, like the moderate values that gives the balanced results. So we're gonna start with where we left. So we have to calculate, we have to start the SCF calculations. So for that we need a YSH file. So we have to create one for ourselves if we don't have. So when you type VAI YSH, it will open a blank file, and if you write anything in it, it will going to be saved as a DAT file in your PC. So I have written YSH file for some common functional like GGA, and we can also add Hubbard parameter which is called U, and it becomes GGA+U. For example, this is the YHS for relaxation file. When you're going to relax your compound, you need to add this in your YSH, and just add a few more files, and then you're gonna just do the CME initialization process and run the calculation. Same for this. Basically, the initialization process that we discussed in the last video is same across all of these calculations. For example, this is relaxation. I'm gonna just type it here so it's easy for you. And this is for GGA, and uh, this is again for GGA. And you have to keep in mind, if you have the magnetic material, you have to add SP here with your run underscore LPW. And if you're running the GGA+U, you will be using this YSH. And if you're using SOC, you're going to use this YSH. So if you want to run the MBJ calculations, you have to first perform the GGA calculation and then copy that into the other. And we will gonna dive into these specific calculation like GGA+U, GGA+SOC, GGA+MBJ more deeply in a single video for all of them. So in this video I'm going to just tell you the basic cell field convergence, how we run it, and what are the possible what are the possibilities, what things can we try to optimize our band gap. So here I'm gonna just copy the YSH for GGA, and I have to look for how many K points I generated last time. I don't remember. So for that you have to check VI for view AO1, which is the name of your directory, and then you're gonna just write K list to it, and it will tell you how many K points have you generated and what's the corresponding K mesh for that. So I have choose 50 K points, so the mesh is quite low, so the calculation will take less time. So I'm gonna just update my YSH. You can update your YSH in terminal as well as in the DAT file. For example, this is my DAT file, and I'm gonna copy this YSH command, and now I'm gonna paste in my terminal. So in order to add anything in terminal, you have to first press I to insert, and then Control Shift V to paste it. And in Word documents and in Excel and in many other documents, the shortcut key is Control plus S, but in terminal you have to press Escape to save your data. Then you're gonna press Shift ZZ, and now our YSH is ready. And now you have to run a chain mode command, and as well as a nohub.out command. So basically these commands are same across all the different calculations. So this is the chain mode command. it will read, write, execute YSH, and now we're gonna run the nohub.out command. So basically these are the previous command that I ran on my terminal. So in order to check your calculation, you have to enter cat log in the terminal. So it shows me that it's 413. Yes, it's 413, and this is a complete cycle: LAPW0, LAPW1, LAPW2, LCore, and mixture. When you see a mixture, uh, you came to know that the calculation is the one cycle is complete, and now multiple cycles are completed because the k points I choose are very low. So in order to check your calculation in the output command, you have to press vi nohub.out. So here you see how many cycles have been ran so far. These are 5th cycle so far. So it will take some time before completing. So you have to check for any errors. If there is any error, you have to resolve that error before you perform your calculations. So I hope this video will be useful to y'all. So in next videos, I'm gonna dive deep into some specific GGA+U and GGA+MBJ configurations. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace.